Hi dear viewers, I'm Kalavani from SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. So today we are going to discuss about the topic terpenoids, and from that terpenoids we are going to see a deep discussion about the citral extraction. So what is terpenoids? Terpenoids are a large and diverse class of naturally occurring compounds, organic compounds built from isoprene units C5 and H8. So they are also called as isoprenoids. To put it simply, terpenoids are the natural compounds made from repeating isoprene units, that is 5 carbon building blocks. They are widely present in plants, essential oils, resins and medicinal herbs. Terpenoids are a group of phytochemicals derived from isoprene units, and they are responsible for the fragrance, flavor, color and therapeutic properties of many plants. Examples include menthol, citral, artemisinin, camphor, thymol and many essential oils. So now let's go deep into the extraction, isolation and analytical techniques of the citral obtained from the lemongrass oil. So let's give the title as Citral, Structure, Isolation and Analysis, Terpenoid, Aldehyde, it will be explained. So let's start with its biosources. Moving on to biosource, citral is mainly found in lemongrass oil, which contains 70 to 85% of the citral. It is also present in lemon methyl and in citrus peel oils. Now let's understand the chemistry. Chemically, citral is C10H16O. It exists in two geometric isomers, that is geraniol in the trans form, then needle the cis form. Being an aldehyde, it gives typical aldehyde reactions. So let's move to the isolation. We will now see how citral is isolated. Step 1. Steam distillation. Lemongrass is subjected to steam distillation to obtain lemongrass oil, and the step 2 is fractional distillation. The oil is then fractioned to separate citral since it has distinct boiling range. Step 3 is purification. Purification is carried out using vacuum distillation or chromatography. And coming to the next, identification test. Citral can be identified by the following 4 tests: the Skips test, 2,4-DNPH test, TLC, IR spectroscopy. So Skips test is nothing but it gives a pink or magenta color confirming aldehyde group, and 2,4-DNPH test forms yellow-orange crystals. The sample is mixed with 2,4-DNPH and hence you will be getting yellow-orange color crystals. And TLC, if the RF value is found to be between 0.50 to 0.60, that is the retention factor, in hexane or hexane is to ethyl acetate, that is in the ratio of 8:2, then it is found as a very good perfect citral. Coming to the IR spectroscopy, shows a sharp C bond with O, peak at 1720 to 1740 centimeter -1. And moving to the analytical method, citral is analyzed using GCMS, HPLC for separating needle and geraniol, IR spectroscopy and UV methods after derivations. Now coming to the therapeutic uses of the citral. Citral has antimicrobial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory and carminative properties. It is commonly used in aromatherapy for relaxation. Yes, of course, if you use a small drops or 1 or 2 drops of a citral oil, and you will be feeling a very relaxed mind. Commercial applications. Citral is widely used in perfume industry, soap and detergents, food flavoring, and in the synthesis of vitamin A. So, citral is a key monoterpenoid aldehyde with vast industrial importance. So today we will see the citrum and artemisinin, that is also and clinically important sesquiterpene lactone with potential anti-malarial activity, which is also obtained from the lemongrass oil. Artemisinin is obtained from the plant Artemisia annua and lemongrass, also known as sweet wormwood. The leaves contain 0 to 0.1 to 1.5% of atomism. So, chemically, atomism has the formula C15H22 and O5, and it contains a very unique endoperoxide bridge which is responsible for its anti-malarial action. It occurs as a colorless crystalline solid and is poorly soluble in water. So we are having many types of extraction methods, that is distillation or some. Hi dear viewers, I am Kalavani from SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. So today we are going to discuss about the topic terpenoids, and from that terpenoids we are going to see a deep discussion about the citral extraction. So what is terpenoids? Terpenoids are a large and diverse class of naturally occurring compounds, organic compounds built from isoprene units C5 and H8. So they are also called as isoprenoids. To put it simply, terpenoids are the natural